starts.
Bilawal Bhutto has just done a cross with an Indian journalist, and they are going to town. They keep repeating this ad nauseum that all earlier attacks, everything, these are false flag attacks done by India. Nothing of this sort happened.
We have won the war.
They called Kargil also false flag at one point.
We won the war, but we lost the narrative, is what I will say. And we lost the narrative because we have our own elements. Abhi, that one statement you recollect, that defense attaches.
Indonesia
made a statement.
Captain Shiv Kumar.
Now, unfortunately, he's a brother officer, so I would rather put the thing in a very separate perspective. Like Ramayana, let me tell a story.
Now you're getting on to the narrative.
So story is the narrative. So there is this king, and one day an astrologer comes to his darbar and he says कि उसका देखता है हाथ वगैरह, and he says कि आप अपने जीते जी अगली 2 जनरेशंस की मृत्यु देखोगे. राजा ने बोले इसको अंदर कर दो. So and it's not Akbar Birbal, okay. Generally people tend to make Birbal to be a smarter guy. There are more smarter relics. So the Wazir plans it out, tells him you go and see the other way. So next day again he comes. And he says, क्या लंबी उम्र है आपकी, आप अगली 2 पुश्तों से ज्यादा जियोगे. बात वही बोली है. We have to understand. Army fights. But war decision is a political decision. And when a political decision takes place, there are certain terms of references put.
मैं एक इंटरप्ट करूं, आप जो कहानी सुना रहे थे, अमीश त्रिपाठी ने आज ट्वीट किया, which I find very interesting. He quotes Marcus Aurelius and he says, to offend a strong man, tell him a lie. To offend a weak man, tell him the truth.
I say always, yesterday, last evening we were together. Listen, last evening we were together and something was being discussed. And I told the lady of the house, I said, you don't want people to believe, tell them the truth. They will say it is a lie. In what perspective you are telling the truth will matter. I have given you 2 perspectives. वो कहता है कि the politicians put constraint. While I say that the war is a political decision where the politician gives you the freedom to fight but puts certain terms and conditions, which we call term of references before we start. So the bounds are said, ki, okay, from here to here you will attack, you won't cross across this. Kargil, we were told not to cross the line of control. That was a term of reference put by the government. Okay. So now in this case, the first day, the narrative is, we are as a nation trying to address the world for a situation that has happened with us.
थोड़ा tangent में जाऊं, between Kargil and between Pahalgam, where military objectives are stated, comes in the TSD. You had no objectives of this kind. You had no constraints of this kind. तो आप किस constraint?
Term of reference था.
हाँ.
But वो था limited. और लिमिट नहीं डिफाइन हुई थी, तो वो गलती हो गई थी.
हाँ. जो मन किया.
आपको लिमिट बताएगा तो लिमिट रखेंगे, नहीं तो हमारी लिमिट है.
Strategic ambiguity regarding objectives.
About term of reference.
What about you? Okay, so I also back him that war is a continuation of politics by other means, quoting Clausewitz. Okay, here the biggest takeaway for me, the biggest victory has been a clear political mandate that we'll go and strike into Pakistan. The execution, I felt, was not perfect. Okay, and then how does the military absorb a political direction? And do you have to do it in real time? Like last time you had brought me here, we were discussing Israel threatening that now since Iran has struck us, we will retaliate. But how much time did they take? They prepared themselves.
Yeah.
They had a different plan. They had a subterfuge saying that during the times of negotiation will not happen, and then they struck. Here in real time, giving warning, and Pakistan is saying they're going to attack. They were prepared for it. That is not how you fight that. I felt that the execution lacked subtlety.
Ajit, you want to comment on this?
Let me first finish my first thing.
Okay, sorry.
So, see, as a nation, we are very sensitive to how the world thinks about us. This has been our problem. We are really, वो 4 लोग क्या सोचेंगे? We don't have that attitude, damn the world. There is a problem.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.